How to redeem digital codes on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how to redeem digital codes or gift card on Amazon. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to redeem digital gift card or codes on Amazon, what you have to do is to simply open the Amazon application first on your device. Once you launch the Amazon app, make sure you have your gift card code with you, and as you do that, tap on the account icon which is at the bottom of the screen, and once you tap on the account icon, you'll find the option called your account which is at the top. So just tap on that one again. Once you go to the your account page, here you'll be able to see multiple options, but you have to look for the option under payment method that says manage gift card balance. So as you can see over here, it says manage gift card balance, and in order to redeem our card, you just need to tap on it once. And again, once you go into this button, you'll find another option labeled as redeem another gift card. So just tap on the first option again. And once you've done that, you can either scan your claim code by using your phone's camera, and once you've scanned it, your camera or the app is going to scan the code automatically, or else you could simply enter the claim code or your redeem code manually. So it could be a digital code or it could be a physical code that you have, depending upon whatever type of codes. You just need to redeem them here, and depending upon the value of your gift card, the balance is going to be added to your Amazon account once you tap on the option called apply to your balance. And that's all it takes to redeem digital codes or gift card on Amazon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.